Today is 14th of February. It is London session currently, and I am going to lay out the plan for today. I haven't taken any trades. I'm actually trying to study some concepts and see if I can better my trading, but overall I'm going to do the same as I always do. So it is Thursday. It was Thursday yesterday. We have delivered all these highs. The next level on the chart is this level here, which is our all-time high. I'll actually mark that out now since it is the closest draw. Let's see, all-time high, and I'll make it red, and there we go. Okay, so we have that. We have the weekly here. Also, we need to go back to the MQ. Let's see. We have the previous week high, which we've already taken. Previous week high, I'll actually mark that out as well. Previous week high, and I'll just drag it into here. We have the previous week low. We have the equilibrium of that. I believe we hit that already. Yes, so we did hit the equilibrium of it. Don't know exactly which day that was, but let's actually mark it out. So this would, if we do this and go back in time, let's see. So we know it's going to reverse around there according to price. Let's just see. Okay, so we actually hit that on Monday, and since then it's just been leaving. Okay, so that was the Monday. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna drag it out from here. Then there we go, and I'll remove this again and then write EQ. Previous week EQ. Perfect. And let's see, anything else? Weekly, let's see. Okay. Just gonna check the wick of this here as well, just to see where things is lining up. So we did hit that. 52, that was my original target. But let's see. $25. And I'll call it 25 all-time high. Now, since then, we actually swept that. Or no, we didn't. That was earlier. Okay, so that was the weekly, and now we come up to it here. Let's see on the daily. So that's the first time, and then totally forgot about this. Then we just hit it here with this high, which is nice. I'm just gonna check. Okay, so we are actually rejecting from it and going lower. So this here might be the manipulation. 1 hour. Let me just check for a second. Do we have a change in the delivery? We don't. I mean, maybe on the yes. Yes. Okay, so we did actually take that on yes. It's going lower here, so something tells me this could actually go lower today. 1 hour. Okay. Let's see. Okay. If we actually get the, I mean, we did sweep these highs. Okay, we did sweep this high. So on the 5 minute, if we actually get a close below here, I might entertain a short. But again, I'm just gonna have an alert set for price if price is coming, because we're still inside of this gap, on our gap, and we haven't really closed below it. And I don't really like these highs, but I guess, yeah, I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. I'm gonna set an alert here. Alert, okay. If price comes down there, we can check. Yeah. Now, let's see. We were on the weekly. Really extended move. Daily, we can mark out the levels here. Like, we were chopping inside of here for such a long time, and now it is placed above. Coming back to this here could possibly be something, because that's a order block since that made the low, right? And we came above, so maybe we can come back into this before going higher. Let's see where this lines up with everything. This is order block. Daily, and on the right. Okay. So on the daily, I don't really see anything. I mean, we are inside of this still. But yeah, now we're above the 50% of it, so I'm thinking we should not really close below here. There's no point. There's a high chance we will go up here to test out these highs. Now we have this. We have this here, daily inverse. So I'm just gonna mark that out as inverse. Yeah, DBR, daily DBR, or yeah, 216. Okay. Okay, on the 4 hour, we have nice wick rejection here. Do we have an S&T there? No. It's going lower here. And we have S&T, I guess, or I'm just gonna remove this for a second. Yeah, we actually have S&T here. With a sweep, which is really nice. Looking at this, you can see that, yeah, this looks really nice for a short, to be fair. You have this high. Okay, so it's actually doing it now. Let's just see what's happening. Might actually entertain a short here. I'm actually gonna log in here and try a short. Okay, I'm going to wait it out till there is confirmation because, yeah. Okay, so this could possibly be the high. I was actually looking at this earlier and I was thinking maybe this was the high, but I was wary of taking that trade just because it didn't make sense. I would have liked to see a sweep of these highs, but I guess that's the highs you leave. And also when we inverse this and we inverse this, I was like, okay, maybe we're going lower from here, but then I wanted to see if we were coming back into it and came back into it and this place lower. Now we did inverse here as well, which set me off. So like we have this inverse basically, and by that we actually delivered the upside here. Okay, so here I'm actually gonna try, let's see, buy, no short position. Okay, so I don't really want to see if it's closing above here. There is this high here and this. We don't really leave any gaps above highs. My stop 15. Yeah, I mean I could always set it here. Okay, so 2 would be here. Okay, this is why I am going to wait for confirmations. Like, there is a break here. Let's see on the 1 minute. 2, 5. Do we have any S&P at the top? Let's check it. So this high here and this. Okay, so it is protected. This is weaker, and it's going lower. Okay, so we do have S&P there. So there's S&P. Let's see, do we have any more S&P here? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try to sell. I'm gonna try to sell 5 here. That's my target. Like, I think that we should go lower here. I am happy with the trade. I know that we didn't really get information, but it just seems like what's most likely going to happen. Now, if I get stopped, I will actually not take any more trades today. It is my first trade, and it is my only trade for this Friday. It looks good. I could possibly wait for that confirmation to see, but overall, I'm not too bothered if I take a loss here. And we have these lows. Let's see these lows. Okay. Because the reason for the trade is we have the S&P here. It's quite big. It is inside of a level. I could have liked to see price come a little bit higher, to be fair. Yeah, let's see. I want to see if we actually. Let me see. Okay, I'll set an alert here because if we do get above here, it's more likely that I will be stopped. And also, I will set an alert here. Okay, so in this case, I now know if I will be stopped on either side, most likely. And I'll set it to this since we're recording here. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Overall, going back to it as well, like the daily is telling me that it wants to go higher, but given so many times it's done such things, actually, you know what, coming down here even, yeah, nice. Okay. Let's see, is there any changes over here? Is it the last? We actually broke this. Okay, yeah, it makes more sense, to be fair. Looking at this swing here, this is the last swing. Actually, when looking at it as well, like you have this swing here broken, right? We have this, and then price comes up, and it shouldn't close above 50% of this. So let's see, short, no, fee retracement from these highs, 50%. It did get above 50% a little bit, and actually went lower from there. Okay, yeah, I would like to have shorted from higher up, but it is what it is. Okay, did we get close? Yes, we actually did get close below here, which is nice. This is where I normally would have taken the trade. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
It's all on you. It's all on you. The self part is what's big. I'm gonna make myself good enough. I'm driven. I'm obsessed. I want to prove people wrong. I'm a warrior. A warrior is a motherfucker who says, hey, I'm here again today. I'm here again tomorrow. I'm gonna be here the next day. It's a person that puts no fucking limit on what's possible. It's a brutal journey every fucking day.
It's in my head 24/7. There's nothing else I can think of. I don't think about nothing else. And that's it. I'm just curious, curiously fascinated with it, and I can't stop thinking about it. Everything I do in my life is related to this. I don't do nothing else if it's not got to do with fighting.
If you want to be great, you want to be the baddest motherfucker ever at what you do, you're gonna be misunderstood by everybody. because you're gonna be so fucking obsessed and so driven to get there. That's what it takes. It takes every second of your fucking life. Anybody says balance? Yeah, balance is important for a lot of fucking people. It is. But if you want to fucking go to that edge where people do not like you, don't understand you, question everything you fucking do, you've arrived. When people don't understand you anymore, you're in that spot of obsession and drive.
It takes more than skills to be great. That's what people don't understand. You can be the most skillful person on earth, still don't make the NBA. The NBA is not about skills. It takes way more to be. Consistency. LeBron James, 20 years in the league. Think about MJ, edge, about getting better, obsession. Kobe, obsession.
There's a choice that we have to make as people, as individuals. If you want to be great at something, there's a choice that you have to make. We all can be masters at our craft, but you have to make inherent sacrifices that come along with that.
If you really want this, you gotta learn to sacrifice. You gotta learn to give up to go up.
You know, people don't really understand how obsessed I am with winning. It's not, I don't care about anything else on the basketball court but winning.
While they was golfing, I was studying. While they was shooting hoops, I was studying. You can't get out of something that you're not willing to put into it. You have to put your everything, your mind, your energy, your effort, your discipline. Nothing is gonna jump out the fire. If you don't throw something in there, it's not gonna happen.
We spend our whole lives trying to fit in. We want to be normal. But the people we idolize the most are the ones that stand out.
But if you dare to be great, if you dare to go to limits that you've never went to before, they will remember your legacy forever.
There is a difference between passion and obsession. When you're passionate, everybody cheers you on. They're stoked for you. Oh, you found your passion? Awesome. Follow your passion. When you're obsessed, they're like, why you gotta be so crazy? Why can't you be satisfied? Why do you always gotta get things so perfect? Why do you spend so much time with it? When you're obsessed, people think you're nuts. So it's different. If no one thinks you're crazy, you're not yet operating to the outer limits of your potential. You're not there yet.
Greatness is not something that you meet once. It's something that you meet thousands of fucking times in your life, and you don't reach it if you're not constantly in pursuit of greatness.
And when you do this long enough, winning becomes who the fuck you are.
I'm obsessed with improvement. Every day I'm getting better. There are those of you with phones, and every new phone that comes out, you get it. You are upgrading your technology, and you've not upgraded yourself. So listen to me. There are those of you saying, I want to be a millionaire. I want to be the best at this company, right? But your value system says you believe in sleep more than you believe in grinding.
Everyone wants money put on their lap. If you truly wanted money, you wouldn't be able to sleep until you fucking had it.